toys lover and stand on here. Today we're gonna check out this cool velociraptor. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the velociraptor part. We got velociraptor here. We need to build this. Let's put this together. Okay, ding. Okay, next are the arms. Let's see what the arms are. Okay, next one, other side, take the arm. Now we got the velociraptor here. Velociraptor is the fastest dinosaur. It is even faster than any other dinosaur. This is the remote. Put on the battery. I already opened it. Now we are gonna open. Okay, now we are gonna put the batteries. I have to put the battery on the dinosaur. We put this battery inside the black box. Now we put this inside the dinosaur. Oh yeah, we forgot. We need to put the screw on the dinosaur's arms. This one to make sure the hands not come out. Is that all? Now we are ready to play this dinosaur. Now let's move it. Let's see. Racetrack, get set, go! We can move it forward and back, and we can make sounds like this. We can move it forward and back, and we can make sounds. Wait. Can I give it a try? This whole time this button is for Okay, that's it, the toys. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Bye bye.